Good morning, Sister Carolina, Teacher Sabrina, and friend. My name is Giselle. And friend, my project about the family favorite fruit. My father eats mango. My mother eats orange. My brother eats mango. And me grape. Thank you, Sister Carolina.